A strong stench escapes as you open the refrigerator door. It's where 5-year-old Skukuza Sturman met his untimely death. He and 2 of his neighbors, 3-year-old Rorisang Medupi and 4-year-old Unalinna Medupi, were last seen playing in the backyard.
He was such a happy child, always full of jokes, and was so friendly.
Community members started combing the village soon after the news of the children's disappearance. Police were called in 12 hours later. Little Skukuza's grandfather made the gruesome discovery in the kraal.
It's been many years since the fridge stopped working and has been laying there, and for many years children always played near it, but now it's taken them away from us.
Not everyone is convinced that the incident was an accident.
Even though they can open, why?
Even though they opened the fridge and got inside, when they started suffocating, why didn't they try and open it or shake the door until the fridge toppled over? Because police said the fridge was standing upright. I really don't believe those kids were on their own. I can't wait for the post-mortem results.
Police have opened up an inquest docket, but have ruled out foul play. While the community is trying to come to grips with the tragedy, all this family can do is ensure that something like this never happens again. Laranzo Temba, Northwest.
News that moves. eNCA.com.